back in Clowne. I think it's time for another update on how they're getting on with the station restoration. If you remember on that last video, the back end of April I think it was now, I said I'd be back the week after just to film the next instalment, because they was expecting, and if you can see behind me there, face of that steam engine, that got a bit delayed, and then I was on holiday, and then I've been sat on my backside for a month, so this is my first time out of the house basically, so it's good to be out and about, it's good to be back. So that last time we was here, they just hobble over. Sorry, not very mobile. They just put these backing plates on, and this, the face of the steam engine, call it a face, if that's the right word, the front of the boiler, that was on the back of the lorry, but they didn't get time to install that. But that went on while I was on holiday in Wales, so I'm got to miss out on all the good stuff. That'll look really, really good. It looks good now, doesn't it? I mean, it's huge. I can't believe when you stand underneath it how big that looks, but that's going to be painted up. It's going to look really, really nice. So let's have a jump back to the 25th of April. This is how I left you on that last video. And I've got to thank Adam from the Clowne Local History Society. He's been keeping me up to date with photographs and videos while I've been away. And here we can see all those prefabricated pieces of steel that were put together by a local company, Penny Hydraulics. Let's have a look what else they've been cracking on while I've been away. You'll notice, well, since our last visit, that wall has had all its brickwork repaired. Fencing, we'll set you up there in a second and show you the fencing and the scaffolding. It'll be moved over that side and they'll just start the same process on that side. I don't think that one looks as damaged, does it, on that side? So you'll notice since I was last here, there's this fencing's appeared. Done quite a little bit of work as well on the wall down there. I can't get down there, unfortunately, but you can see the fence from here though, can't you? They're just welding further up. I got to run up. Is this to fill in them cracks then? Is this to fill in the gaps?
Yeah, this is
yeah.
all going to be resurfaced as well.
Excellent. Another load.
It's only number 2.
How many loads do you reckon it'll take?
I'd say about another 20.
This is just a small-scale mock-up of the station clock that hung on the front of the station building, just overlooking the tunnel top. Hopefully one day we'll see a clock hanging in its rightful place just above the station. Just one more thing from me, and it's a little bit of a request for help. The Clowne Local History Society is run by volunteers, and they're very resourceful in using and reusing things from around the area. I have been asked to ask if anybody is able to help out with getting this little bit of the old station ramp re-tarmacked. If anyone's got a little bit of tarmac spare or left over at the end of a day, or anyone's willing to donate to help out this cause, either drop me a message and I'll pass it on to the guys, or contact the Clowne Local History Society through their Facebook page. So I'll leave them to it. I've had a good hobble around. It's just nice to be out of the house. Not my usual full fat video today. Might come down, might manage to get down again in about 2 weeks. Just good to get a little bit of time on the feet, a little bit of exercise. I am down to one crutch at the moment. Still not easy though. Yeah, so I'll see you soon. Anyway, cheers for watching. Take care.